Hi! Today, I'm making a Japanese bento box. This is what you need. You can check my video how to cook rice if you are not sure how. First, prep for wrapping the asparagus with bacon. Wash and cut the asparagus in half. This time I'm using mini asparagus, but if you use regular asparagus, boil them before wrapping with bacon is better. Wrap with the bacon and use a toothpick to hold the bacon in place. Next, prep the cauliflower. Wash and cut 80 grams into bite-sized pieces. Boil the cauliflower. Strain the hot water. Then let it cool down. Add 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise and 1/8 teaspoon of curry powder. Add 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now, for the teriyaki chicken. Cut the chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. Add half tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sake. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and marinate the chicken. Tamagoyaki is Japanese-style omelette, and we'll make that next. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and add half teaspoon of dashi powder and half teaspoon of sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sake and half teaspoon of soy sauce. And last, add the 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of oil into a bowl. Turn on heat to mid. Spread the oil with paper towel. Watch the video carefully. It's not too hard but can be a bit tricky. Pour 1/3 of the egg mixture into a tamagoyaki pan, and you should hear sizzling noise. Lightly scramble the egg mixture. As the surface starts to firm up, roll it over and push the egg to the edge of the pan. Spread the oil on the empty section of the pan. Pour another 1/3 of the egg mixture, lifting the already rolled egg up with a chopstick. And let the egg mixture run under the rolled egg. Scramble the egg mixture, roll it over, and push it to the edge of the pan again. Repeat the same action with the rest of the egg mixture. Take the finished omelette out of the pan and let it cool on a board. Finally, we'll grill some salmon and cook our chicken and asparagus. Heat up a fry pan to mid-heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add the salmon and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and turn over. Add the teriyaki chicken, then the asparagus. Sprinkle some pepper on the asparagus. Turn over the salmon, the teriyaki chicken, and the asparagus as checking they are cooking through. When all the food cooked, turn off heat. Place cooked food to lunch box. This is just idea for a bento box, but you can use boiled egg instead of Japanese omelette. More information is my blog. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click subscribe. See ya!